Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine and Devilish States. Chapter 16, Shloka 12. Bound by 100 ties of hope, given to lust and anger, they do strive to obtain by unlawful means hoards of wealth for sensual enjoyments.
Chapter 16, Shloka 12. आशापाशशधैर्बद्धाः कामक्रोधपरायणाः ईहन्ते कामभोगार्थम् अन्यायेनार्थसञ्चयान्.
Chapter 16, Shloka 12. The expression of the philosophy described in the last shloka in the life of the individual is described in this shloka. Entangled by hundreds of desires, his mental and intellectual energies are dissipated. Such a person becomes restless and impatient with things and that happen around him and soon loses his balance of mind, his sense of judgment, irritated and constantly unhappy with himself and environments. Such a man is seen full of desires and anger. Wherever desire is obstructed, anger is natural. Since he is devoted to desires, he pursues sense fulfillments, and since in the world of competition, desire fulfillment often get throttled, his urges take the form of anger. They strive to satisfy their never-ending urges. They acquire and procure objects of sense satisfaction from the world around. They are not seeking happiness as such or peace as such. There is an anxiety to quench a nameless thirst which they are constantly feeling and chronically suffering from. They have not the mental equipoise to investigate into their urges and analyze and judge them properly. Madly, they strive on to acquire and possess, and in their desperate anxiety to indulge and to enjoy, they lose sight of the divine principles of existence and the noble dictates of their conscience. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.